Alright.
Dildo, you doing a fucking... Where's the other one? Where's the other beer? Where's the other beer?
I don't know, dude. I'm trying to burp as much as possible. Shut up.
Where's the other beer?
I think puking if anything.
Oh, you got that? Give me it. TZ, you hold that.
I can't believe it. Is it recording?
It's already on. Shh. Yo, Dylan, shut the fuck up, Dylan. Hold that. This is a ritual.
Is this for mine?
Yep.
My likeness? Ooh.
You gotta crack open the top.
Oh yeah, I got it, yeah. I've done this before.
He's doing it, then you crack it and then do shotgun.
Hey, he's gonna do it right now.
I know, hold on, you and Dildo are doing it.
Yeah, I know.
You and dildo.
I can't do this.
Dilly dough.
You ain't got
You
it.
gotta crack open the top. Yeah, hold on, you and Dildo are doing it at the same time. You gotta crack it when you do it.
Little dilly dough.
Yeah, Nate, I'm puking,
I'm talking puking breath.
What do I do?
Put your mouth up to that fucking soul. You crack this. Put this up to your lips. And then crack the beer and chug the whole thing.
Come on, ladies.
Rock on! Yo, I need to
Close up on this shit. Oh, yo, get this kid. He's about to go puke too. You're doing it too. Give me a sip.
a nice little burp for my likings.
How do you feel? How do you feel? I'm fucking puked.
Oh shit, yo. I hate you, fucking Jordan. Where are you? Where's JC?
Oh, Jeff Jackson, get Jeff.
Rocco! Nice shot. Nice shot.
Alright,
What the fuck is up, motherfuckers?
you're doing another one. You're doing another one.
I ain't doing nothing.
He's doing another one.
He's doing it. Is that all you got, brother?
Yeah.
You fucking
You just pissed because I beat you in beer pong, bitch. The fuck off! Get off! You don't even need to take it.
fine, yo.
Yeah, yo, you're fine.
Well, you guys are pushing me out of the fucking ground. No, that was you. You rolled all the way. We didn't push you over to there. You dumb motherfucker.